Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about adverbs of manner. Let's get started. Remember that an adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Note that they usually modify verbs, telling us how often, when, or where something was done. It's in the example over here. We walked really slowly. The adverb slowly modifies the verb walked, and it tells us how we walked. Now, an adverb of manner tells us how something happens. Have a look at the example below. I carefully read the note left on the counter. Now, the adverb of manner carefully modifies the verb read, and it tells us how we read. Also note that adverbs of manner are usually placed either before the main verb or after the object. Have a look at the examples below. Tom quickly left the building. Now, the adverb of manner quickly modifies the main verb left, and it comes before it. And in this sentence, Tom left the building quickly. Again, the adverb of manner quickly modifies the main verb left, but it comes after the object, building. Note that such adverbs as well, badly, hard, fast are always placed after the verb. Have a look at the examples below. Alice, hard work. This sentence is incorrect because the adverb is placed before the verb. The correct form would be Alice worked hard. And when there is more than one verb in a clause, the position of the adverb is very important. Let's have a look at the examples below. Samuel slowly decided to leave the party. Now, in this sentence, the adverb slowly modifies the verb decided, not leave. And in the sentence, Samuel decided to leave the party slowly. The adverb slowly describes or modifies the clause to leave the party, not decided. Now, some writers put an adverb of manner at the beginning of the sentence. This is only to catch the reader's attention. Have a look at the example below. Confidently, she entered the room. Now, let's review the use of adverbs of manner and practice a bit. Remember that we use adverbs of manner to show how something happens. Read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate adverb of manner. I typed the message. Hurry. I typed the message hurriedly. Remember that we place adverbs of manner either before the main verb or after the object. Now read the following sentence and add an adverb of manner before the main verb and after the object. And the sentence ended. And the sentence ended abruptly. And the sentence abruptly ended. Also, remember to always place such adverbs as well, badly, hard, and fast after the verb. Rewrite the following sentence. Finn well on his exam to do. Finn did well on his exam. Remember, the deposition of the adverb is very important when there is more than one verb in a clause. Read the following sentence and decide what the adverb modifies. They quietly asked us to leave the house. The adverb quietly modifies the verb asked. They asked us to leave the house quietly. The adverb quietly describes the clause to leave the house. Note that a writer can put an adverb of manner at the beginning of a sentence to catch the reader's attention. Rewrite the following sentence. He the knife to pick slowly. Slowly he picked up the knife. Here is a short story using adverbs of manner. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I don't know what's going on with Kate. What do you mean? Well, she finishes her meal quickly and storms back to her room. When she is in the living room, she just quietly reads something and doesn't say a word. And today, she angrily slammed the door right in front of me. Maybe she's upset. Or is she angry with you? I don't know. Whenever I try to initiate a conversation, she answers passively aggressively. Be bold and ask her. You are siblings after all. She can't stay mad forever. And now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the adverbs from the box. Truthfully, badly, patiently, safely, recklessly. A. The score was 3-2. Even though we lost, I don't think we played. B. I don't want to be with her in the same car ever again. She drives. C. The plane landed on the runway. D. The judge asked him to answer the questions. E. Everyone waited for Mr. Smith to arrive. And now, read the following sentences and complete them by changing the adjectives in brackets into adverbs. A. Is anyone here? Whispered Megan. Cautious. B. She spoke so quiet that the class couldn't hear her. C. You are late, said Jane, angry. D. I think our national football team played really good. E. She, happy, ran into her open arms. And now, let's check your answers. The score was 3-2. Even though we lost, I don't think we played badly. I don't want to be with her in the same car ever again. She drives recklessly. The plane landed safely on the runway. The judge asked him to answer the questions truthfully. Everyone waited patiently for Mr. Smith to arrive. "Is anyone here?" whispered Megan cautiously. She spoke so quietly that the class couldn't hear her. "You are late," said Jane angrily. "I think our national football team played really well." She happily ran into his open arms. Thank you for watching this tutorial.